Hello students, so we were doing exercise 3.3 question 5. Okay. You have to find the value of sine 75 degree. So you have to split this 75, okay, so that you can make use of the formula sine A plus B, and yeah, and you have to split this number in such a way that it becomes those angles of which we know the values. Okay. So 75 you can split into 45 and 30. Okay. So using sine A plus B, sine 45, sine A into cos B, cos A, uh, yeah, cos A into sine B. Sine 45 is 1 upon root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 upon root 2, sin 30 is half. So this is 1 plus root 3 upon 2 root 2. Okay. Same way you have to find the second one, that is tan 15 degree. Again you have to split this. Okay. 15 you can write it as 45 minus 30. So make use of tan A minus B, tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. Okay. So tan 45 is 1, tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, 1 plus tan 45 is 1, and this is 1 upon root 3. So you will get root 3 minus 1 cross multiplying, 3 upon root 3 plus 1 upon root 3. Root 3 you can cancel. Now you can rationalize this. So you have to multiply by root 3 minus 1, numerator and denominator. So in this you can write root 3 minus 1 the whole square upon a plus b a minus b. So root 3 square minus 1 square. So expanding this you will get 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 2. Okay. So this is 4 plus 1, 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 2. 2 you can take common. So this is 2 minus root 3 upon 2. 2 to cancel. So 2 minus root 3. Okay. Question 6. Cos pi by 4 minus x, cos pi by 4 minus y, minus sin pi by 4 minus x, sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to sin x plus y. So you have to prove this. So start with LHS. Okay. Now you know that cos 2 cos A into cos B. Okay, that formulas you have to use. So here 2 is not there, right? So you have to divide and multiply by 2. So we can write 1 upon 2 outside, cos pi by 4 minus x, cos pi by 4 minus y, minus 2 sin pi by 4 minus x, sine pi by 4 minus y. Okay, so half you can keep outside. This is 2 cos A cos B, which is cos A plus B. This whole thing is A, whole thing is B. Okay, and plus cos A minus. Now minus means you have to take here minus inside, so this becomes minus, this becomes plus. Okay, same way you have to write this, that is, this is already minus, so minus 2 sin A sin B is cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Okay, so here you can write plus and minus pi by 4 for this one. Okay, now these two terms are same, so you can cut this, and these two terms are also same, so this is 2 cos this thing. Okay, so I'll write it here only. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is 2 pi by 4, which is pi by 2, right? And this minus I'll keep outside, so inside it will be x plus y. The same way here also. Okay, so 2 times, just 2 times. I'll write here 2. So these things are cancelled. So this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. Cos pi by 2 minus x plus y, pi by 2 minus. So in the first quadrant, cos is positive, right? And pi by 2 is given. So we have to do transformation. So it becomes sine x plus y. Okay? Or you can use the formula cos A minus B. We'll get the same thing. Okay? I have written it directly. Whole square. Okay? So start with left hand side. Tan A plus B formula. Tan A, tan B on 1 minus tan A into tan. Tan A minus tan B upon tan A into tan. Okay. Tan pi by 4 is 1. So I'll write it here only. So this is 1. This is also 1. And this is 1. Okay. So you can write this as 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x, and the denominator, when you take in the numerator, it becomes the reciprocal. So you'll get 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x. So you get the RHS square. Question 8. Cos pi plus x cos minus x upon sin pi minus x cos pi by 2 plus x cot square x. Okay. So starting with the LHS, cos pi plus x. So here you can directly write the value, or you can use the formula identity cos A plus B. Okay, I'll write it directly. So here pi is there. Pi plus x means in the third quadrant. Third quadrant cos is negative. pi is given, so no transformation. So cos of minus cos of x. Okay. Cos of minus x, we know that it is positive quantity, cos of x. Sin pi minus x. Pi minus x in the second quadrant. Second quadrant sign is positive and no transformation. Cos pi by 2 plus x, again in the second quadrant. Cos is negative here and the transformation is there, so sine. Okay. So cos x into cos x, cos square x upon sine square x. So cos upon sine is cot. Okay. Question 9. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x, cos 2 pi plus x, cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x equal to 1. Okay, LHS. Now what is the value of 3 pi by 2? This is 3 into 180 upon 2, right? So this is 90 and this is 270. 270 means this is your 3 pi by 2, correct? So 3 pi by 2 plus x means this falls in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. Okay. And for pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2, we do transformation. So this becomes your sine of x. Okay. Then 2 pi. 2 pi means 0. Okay. After one circle. 2 pi plus x, first quadrant, cos. So cos of x remains same. Then cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. 3 pi by 2 minus x means here in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. So positive and transformation. So cot becomes tan. Cot of 2 pi plus x, 2 pi plus x, first quadrant, 2 pi plus x. Cot is positive, cot of x. Okay. So this is sin x into cos x. And this is, then you can write sin x upon cos x plus cos x upon sin x. Okay, this is simple trigonometry evaluation, that is this remains same, sin x into cos x. After cross multiplying, we'll get sin square x plus cos square x upon cos x into sin x. So this gets cancelled. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1, which is our RHS. Okay. Question 10. Sin n plus 1 x sin n plus 2 x plus cos n plus 1 x cos n plus 2x equal to cos of x. So if you look at here, you'll understand that this is sin A into sin B. Okay, the only thing we need is 2. So using the identity, you have to divide and multiply by 2. So half remains outside. 2 sin, I'll write it here only, okay, to save time. Question 10. Half is outside. 2 and this also. Okay. So 2 sin A into sin B is cos A plus B plus n plus 2x, okay, minus cos n plus 1x minus n plus 2x, A minus, okay. Then 2 cos A into cos B is plus cos A plus B. Same thing will get like this only, and here plus will come and cos this, okay. So these two terms will go, right? They are same. This 2 remains, so this is 2 times. 2 times. So I'll write here only. 2 gets cancelled, so the thing which remains is cos n plus 1 x plus n plus 2 x. Okay. X you can take common. Some mistake I did. Sin A plus B to sin A into sin B. Oh, minus is there. So this will be minus, this will be plus. This is plus, this is minus. So first two terms gets cancelled. Okay. And these two terms gets add up. So this will be minus. Okay. Make that correction. For these, there is a negative sign. So you have to put here negative and here positive. So that this first terms gets cancelled and second terms gets added up. So with the minus sign gets added up. So this will be minus, minus. So this gets cancelled. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus x. So this is cos of minus x. Cos of minus x is cos of x. Okay. Which is our right hand side.